I have given this body the Google meaning of the word neutralization. This time, I would like to share with you the police meaning of neutralization as defined in page 188 of the Police Operational Procedure Manual. And it says, neutralization, a police intervention in use of force continuum and or principle of proportionality on the use of force purposely to contain or stop the unlawful aggression of the offender. This may include an arrest, capture, surrender, or other acts to subdue the suspect. Wala mo nakalagay dito na kill sa definition of PNP Operational Manual, Mr. Chair. Thank you, Mr. Chair. Mahirap pong magbigay ng meaning, somebody from outside the PNP, people from within the organization, be given the chance to interpret this term accordingly, Mr. Chair.
May we know when the PNP officially and formally defined the word neutralization? Because sa notes ko, mayroon -21, so it gives me the idea it's 2021.
Regardless, Mr. Chair.
Am I correct or not?
Yeah, this is 2021. Dahil nga sa palaging minimisinterpret ng publiko yung term na neutralization, the PNP come up with the correct...
But in Memorandum Circular number 16-2016, where the word neutralization...
But it doesn't mean kung walang nakasulat na definition, isama mo na puro patay-patay na lang ang gusto mo sa neutralization.
Correct.
Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Do you want to continue with the ex-chief? Senator Bato, you want to continue?
Yes,
same question, kung natatandaan niyo pa, sir. The same question ni Senator Bato. So, Debold Sinas, we have yes, sir, General Retired Debold Sinas.
Thank you very much, Mr. Chair. First, I'd like to thank the committee for inviting me. Nagbigay na po ni Senator Bato at saka Sir Archie ang definition. Yun po talagang inadapt. Because the context talaga, kasi kaya yung operational procedures, katama po yung sa tinuturo at saka nasa mga training at saka mga discussion. Hindi po kagat-patay. Dapat we do the, after mag-case dig up, the arrest, capture, kung mag-surrender, surrender. Tapos kung mayroong imminent threat na talagang lumaban, doon po talaga na may mga instances din na pag hindi ready ang police, kami po ang mapapatayan. Ay patay. Hindi po yun, sir. Ang una talaga is to neutralize, to stop their operation, to stop their aggressions on equal force. Just enough to neutralize. Not na pinasa na po namin sa baba. It's not immediate killing, sir. Ang bago namin. So we have the same stand po, sir, with Senator Bato and Sir Archie, sir. Thank you po.
My next question, a practical question would be, how do you come up with a list of persons that you need to neutralize if you don't have the definition of neutralization? I think it's a practical question, Your Honor.
I just want to put that on tuloy lang natin. Yeah. Pero may nasabi kasi si General Sinas na yun ang sabi